Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Dixon. Dixon is a leading manufacturer of products for key consumable durables brands in India. Dixon slightly missed the street estimates with overall revenue growth of 117%, which was led by strong performance in mobile and EMS segments and offset by a 32% fall in consumer electronics. Operating profits were higher by 112% to 391 crore, with operating profit margin falling 9 basis points. We expect mobile and EMS divisions to sustain high growth momentum in FY26 and 27, led by strong orders from existing clients and planned additions too. Electronics, laptops and notebooks would cushion growth, led by mobiles and EMS division. Factoring in the new plans addition, new initiatives and backward integration, Analyst upgrades Dixon Technologies to buy with a revised price target of 19,440, factoring in strong revenue PAT growth of 62 and 82% over FY24 to FY27 earnings estimate. Stock currently trades at 72x and 51x its FY26 and 27 earnings respectively. Stock has fallen sharply in today's bloodbath on the bourses. This gives a favorable opportunity for fresh buying in the stock. Next, we have an update on CANFIN Homes. Analyst maintains buy with a revised price target of Rs 850. Management expects improvement in asset quality and growth going forward, as E-Khata issue in Karnataka is likely to resolve by Q4 FY25 to Q1 FY26. Prime Minister Awas Yojana bodes well for the affordable housing sector. Besides, the management is also able to focus on growth as internal process and IT system have been streamlined well in FY24 and Q1 FY25. With this, the company is likely to generate a sustainable return on equity of 17% over FY25 to 27 period. Hence, we maintain buy rating as the stock has witnessed sharp decline of 31% from the beginning of Q3 FY25. Healthy business outlook and improvement in asset quality. At the current market price, the stock trades at 1.3x its FY27 book value.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.